So here's my note cards, front and back, front and back. So today I'm going to talk about global warming. In this picture, it's pretty much sum up about global warming cause and effect. But right now I want to direct your attention to the next slide. It's about a small country called Kiribati in the South Pacific. Their island is in danger of being extinct, like totally submerged underwater due to sea level rise. And if you want to learn more about it, this is a very interesting document about global warming. I attached the link here. So if you want to go ahead and write it down, I'll give you 3 seconds. Now moving on to the next slide, we are going to learn 4 things about global warming. 1, what is global warming? 2, what caused global warming? 3, what are some effects global warming do to us? And 4, what are some possible solutions that we can do for global warming? The first one, what is global warming? According to Global Climate Change 2020, it is the long-term eating of Earth's climate system since the pre-industrial period due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning. So yesterday, I asked my kids to draw a picture of how much they know about global warming. And look, this is what they did. Half of the herd is already destroyed, which in brown color, and the other half is still good. And that's how they understand what global warming is. Moving on to the next slide, let's look at the cause of global warming. The number one cause of global warming is us, human activities. When we burn fossil fuels, when we do deforestation and clearing of lands, or agriculture and farming, like here on this article, Causes of Global Warming 2018, they talk about Australia, the burning of fossil fuels like the electricity generation. They are the main cause of carbon pollutants because 73% of it is from burning coals, 13% of it is from burning gas, and the remaining 14% comes from the renewable energy like hydro, solar, and wind. But this three is not even contributing to carbon pollutants. These are also some of the causes of global warming. I came across this global warming speech that was published in 2020. Says that when greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane, when they are trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, it causes this three: sea level rise, temperature change, which we already experienced this. And not only sea level rise, we experience water temperature change. So what are the effects of global warming? As you can see in this slide, the glaciers are melting, ecosystems are being disturbed, heat wave, and this is another picture of heavy rain and flood that is destroying our land. Like Macmillan in 2016 said, when glaciers are melting, it causes sea level to rise, coastal flooding, heat waves. This will damage our ecosystem, put our small islands in danger, agriculture and fisheries being destroyed, and more problems like extinction of species, corals being destroyed, and more so, allergies and asthma will spike. So what can we do? What are some possible solutions that we can do? The first one, I came across this biodiesel from oleic acid. These 3 others, Unlu, Nicris, and Ilmiclu, in 2017, they say we can use biodiesel from this acid as alternative to burning fossil fuels. And this is basically from vegetable oils and animal fats. And it's way better than burning fossil fuels. The next possible solution is to try use more renewable energy by solar, which was suggested by Melissa Denchak, that she published this in 2017. So I only put the Clean Air Act of 1990 because I think it is a very important source for us to use so we can know more about global warming. And the last one, it says it starts with you. Speak up. The more you talk about it, the more knowledge people have, and the more help we can get to try to slow down this global warming. The fun facts of global warming, even though it's not fun, we cannot stop global warming. But what we can do is we can help try to slow it down. How? Talk about what is global warming to our friends, to our workers. Tell them what caused global warming. Even share with them the effects of global warming or point out what you experience about it. And the last one, share with them some possible solutions of global warming, in person or by media. To my last slide, these are all the sources that I collect about global warming, and there are still more out there. But you are welcome to use this and look more into it. Don't forget, we are the #1 contribution to global warming, and we can help slow it down too. And that concludes my speech. Thank you.